Home Minister Amit Shah has launched a strong attack on the India bloc's vice presidential candidate and retired Supreme Court Justice B. Sudarshan Reddy. Speaking at a conclave in Kochi, Amit Shah said that Reddy used the Supreme Court to support Maoism. He referred to the 2011 Salva Judum judgment in which Justice Reddy had struck down the state-sponsored tribal militia as unconstitutional. Shah claimed that if that judgment had not been delivered, Maoism could have been completely eliminated by 2020. The India bloc has projected Reddy as a champion of social and political justice, but the Home Minister says his verdict helped strengthen extremist forces. Shah also linked this controversy to Kerala politics, asserting that the Congress will face even greater challenges in the state with this nomination. His comments have ignited a fresh political flashpoint as the vice presidential contest heats up. My colleague Arzu Seth is joining us on the broadcast. Arzu, a big statement being made by the Home Minister. He has stated that if the opposition's vice presidential candidate and former Supreme Court judge had not delivered a judgment, Maoism could have been eliminated by 2020. So take us through this fresh political war that has broken out ahead of the vice presidential elections.
Well, definitely, Malvika, ahead of the vice president election, there has been a war of words between both the parties. And in fact, the Union Home Minister Amit Shah has accused the Congress-led alliance vice president candidate Justice B. Sudarshan Reddy of supporting Naxalism, saying if he had not delivered the Salva Judum judgment, extremist left movement in the country would have ended before 2020. And it's a big statement that the Amit Shah has made. He was speaking at a conclave organized by Malayalam Manorama Group, and Shah said that with the Congress choice of candidate for the vice president post, the party's chance of winning in Kerala have further diminished. And Sudarshan Reddy is a person who helped the Naxalism. He gave Salva, judgment in the Salva Judum judgment had not been given, the Naxal terrorism would have ended by 2020. And he's the person who was inspired by the ideology that gave Salva judgment. Shah said, referring to the 2011 Supreme Court judgment on Salva Judum during a question answer session as the part of the conclave. And in December 2011, Justice Reddy of the Supreme Court ruled that using the tribal youth as special police forces, whether called Khoya Commandos, Salva Judum, or by any other name in the fight against Maoist insurgents was illegal and unconstitutional. He also ordered that they will be immediately disarmed. So Shah said that Kerala has faced the brunt of Naxalism, and people of Kerala will certainly see that the Congress party, under the pressure of the left parties, is fielding a candidate who supported Naxalism and used a purest form like the Supreme Court, the Home Minister said. So definitely, attack has been made on the opposition over the choice of the vice president candidate. Yes, Malvika.
Well, Arzu, are there also any further reactions that are coming in as far as the Home Minister's comments are concerned? Has the opposition come with a comeback, or has the central government, the NDA, also reacted to his statements further?
Well, definitely, yes. There has been a war of words over the vice president candidate, and whether it's, BJP, as we have heard, Amit Shah attacking the, vice president candidate choice of the Congress party and the India Alliance. At the same time, the Congress party and the India Alliance have questioned the choice of the BJP's vice president candidates or NDA vice president candidate. So definitely there are war of words between both of them, and this remains to be seen as the majority is with the NDA, NDA government. So yes, there is an edge to the NDA government, but at the same time, the opposition, India Alliance, have also fielded their candidates. So this remains to be seen, during the the election of the vice president candidate, what a war of words will begin, because till now also we have seen ruckus over the vice president election. Yes.